Meet GEF, our general electronic thingamajig. Let's show you how to use them. Take your fully charged and data-full tablet or phone. Place said device in the cradle. No, not that way. The lens needs to be in the middle of the circle, also known as a ring light. In order to change the placement of your device, push in on the adjuster and slide up or down. Make sure it's nice and firm, because anything you break will not be our responsibility. Now turn on your microphone adapter. You need to switch it fully up so that both lights are on. The correct setting is 48 volts. Plug the Pro mic adapter into your headphone socket. Now turn on the backlight. Careful. And then alternate between the modes. We prefer the daylight setting, the blue light facing away from the controls. But in your studio, you may prefer the warmer setting. Use the lower controls to control the strength of the settings, up or down, in either direction. You'll need to hold the buttons down. Now, attach your tripod. No, not like that. Turn the light off. Now tighten. You can tighten underneath the tripod head, like this. When positioning GEF, there are 3 handles, and the microphone is not one of them. It's powered, so it will give you an electric shock. It won't give you an electric shock, but don't touch it. You must either use handle 1, which we call handle 1, or use handle 2, which we call handle 2, or you can use handle 3, which you call the back handle actually. Now position your human. Sit down, pull GEF towards you, no, not the mic, the blue handle, and then reference yourself in the framing. You may need to adjust the height of GEF, in which case use the silver hand crank. You can use the handle on the side to adjust the angle of GEF. Once you have the position you want, then tighten it once more. Now that the frame is correct, you need to make sure the microphone is pointing at your chin. Adjust it if necessary. Carefully, very carefully. Thank you. Now, you're ready for your test take. To check sound, framing, and lighting. Are you ready, Ed? Really? Don't you think you're a little bit dark? No, you are. You're too dark. Move GEF towards you. That's better. Hit record on that first take. Notice Ed's eyes. In this take, he's looking at himself in the phone and not at the camera lens. Make sure you're always looking at the camera lens, even though your face might be quite distracting. And now you need to listen to your playback. If everything sounds great, you're good to go. Thanks for watching, and now combined with your great prep, you can start making amazing quality videos.